Have you ever seen someone wrap rope around a dumbbell handle? It may look strange, but there is actually a reason for it. A thicker grip is often used to make your hands and forearms work harder. Many athletes even buy expensive grip attachments for this purpose. But what if you could get a similar effect with something you already have at home? Just a piece of rope. Wrapping rope around the handle can make the grip feel larger and may also help reduce slipping during training. For some exercises, a thicker grip can challenge your grip strength and forearm muscles. Of course, if your goal is to lift the heaviest weight possible, a standard handle is often easier to hold. But if you want to train your grip while you work out, this simple DIY trick might be worth trying. Today, I'm turning an ordinary dumbbell into a custom grip using only rope. No expensive equipment. No special tools. Just a simple DIY upgrade. What do you think? Would you try it?